So, the good morning, children. Now we have to talk about the kinds of pollination. Whenever we are talking about the kinds of pollination, actually there are the three types are there. First type is been clearly shown to you, which is said to be the autogamy, and autogamy are of the two types. First type is said to be the chasmogamy, and the second type is said to be the clismogamy. Whenever the autogamy is concerned, autogamy means the pollination. Auto means self, gamon means the union of the male and female gametes. So here the pollination is taking place within the same flower. Whenever pollen grain is transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower, at the time the first condition is that both the anther and stigma should expose at the same time, and at the time the this self pollination will be successful. But the synchrony of the anther and stigma should be close to each other. That should be synchronous and that should be close to each other. Example, the viola, common pansy, oxalis, communalaria. These are the producing two types of the autogamous flower. First, we see the picture. Here will be this one is a pictorial representation of these pollen grains, where you could say the same type of a flowers are to be found, and we are observing the flowers which are clearly been visible to us, and we could say the autogamous number one type is said to be the chasmogamous, means flower which are similar to itself within the same flower, anther and stigma are located, pollination is done. Advantage is that the 100% success of the there, no chance for the cross pollination. And the second type is said to be the chasmogamous flower within the same. And the clistogamous flower, that is a speciality, is that flower does not open at all. At a time, within the same flower, pollination is absolutely possible, and it is the 100% assurance is there. So that is about the autogamy. Next, if you are talking about the gymnogamous flower, what do you mean by the term the gymnogamy? Gymnogamy terminology is to be the pollen grains are transferred from the one flower to the another flower, but both the flowers are on the same plant. Obviously, it is a cross pollination, but these are genetically similar. And here you will see the same plant, one flower, pollen grain is to be transferred to the stigma of the another flower. So it is genetically similar in autogamy because the pollen grains are in the same. But the third type is said to be the xenogamous. Xenogamous type of a pollination. Here will be the pollen grain from the anther of one flower is to be transferred to the stigma of the another flower of the another plant. So there will be the genetical differences. Next, we will be talking about the agents of the pollination.